Morning Math 2. This is lesson 121. This morning we are going to learn how to make and label an array. A good example of an array is the calendar. It is arranged in squares, one for each day of the week. So it's an array of 7. So I'm going to make an array that starts with 4. So make sure that I do it right. So I'm going to make a row of 4 tiles. These are just paper squares. Remember, rows are horizontal. So that's my first row. I'm going to add a second row. Okay, now I have 2 rows of 4 tiles each. How many tiles do I have altogether? I hope you said 8. I'm going to add another row. Now I have 3 rows of 4 tiles each. How many tiles do I have? 12. So this is how we write it. I have 3 rows, so I write a 3 here. I have 4 in each row, so the 4 goes up here, and I have a total of 12 tiles. Remember, you're learning your multiplication, so you know that 3 times 4 equals 12. I am going to make another array. While I'm taking off the squares or tiles, could you please get Master 121? And you'll need a pencil and I would say a pencil crayon. It doesn't matter what color, just remember when you're using the pencil crayon to go lightly. So you get those things while I get this ready. Okay, I hope you have everything. I'm going to start on the next array. I am going to make 1 row of 3 tiles. Then I'm going to add a second row. So now I have 2 rows, first one, second one, and I have 3 tiles in each row. So we are going to draw a picture of that. I shouldn't say we, you are going to draw a picture of that. So that's why you needed Master 121. You're going to start up here in box A. So color in the 3 tiles in the first row. Then color in the 3 tiles in the second row. If you need to, you can pause this until you're ready to do some writing. All right, we need to label our array. The first thing that you're going to do with your pencil is next to the letter A, so the letter A is up here, you are going to write 2 times 3 array. That's what you're going to write. Then you need to write a 2 on the left-hand side because there are 2 rows. You're going to write a 3 above to show that there are 3 in each row. And then you're going to write your 6 in the middle. It's pretty hard for me to do that because then I have to write on the paper, and remember the dry erase markers don't like writing on paper. So I'll try, but it's going to be really teeny tiny. Oh, hang on, I have an idea. If I move this down a little bit, then you can see. Yours will look much nicer than mine. So, you have a 6. If you need to, pause this so you get that caught up. Then we're going to move on to box B. This time you're going to do it without me using the tiles. You are going to do here's box B, a 4 by 2 array. So remember, that means that you need to have 4 rows of 2. How many do you have colored? I'm going to show you. Keep working. I'm going to move these. So there's my first row of 2. Here's my second row of 2. Here's my third row of 2. I need one more row. There's my fourth row of 2. Remember how we label it. I have 4 rows, so I need to write a 4 on the left-hand side. I have 2 in each row, so the 2 goes up top. And I'm going to write a teeny tiny 8 right in the middle. You can draw a much larger 8. While you're finishing that, I'm going to set up your next task for box C. Okay, next to the letter C, you are going to do a 3 by 5 array. Get started on your rows. Remember, you need 3 rows of 5 tiles. So color those in. While you're working on that, I'm going to get this cleaned up. This one I'm going to have to draw because I only have 12 paper squares. So let's see if I can do this. I needed 3 rows. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. I think I can get 5 out of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it should look like that. Remember, I'm going to write a 3 to the left because I have 3 rows. I'm going to write a 5 above because I have 5 in each row. Oh, and this time I can write a 15 in the middle. Are you done? If not, put it on pause. Get it finished. While you're finishing up, I'm going to get D ready. Okay, last one. D, I would like you to make a 3 by 3 array. You do that. Oh, you don't even have a D. You can do it on the back. I was getting carried away. So this just looks like a bingo card or tic-tac-toe. Remember, 3, 3, and in the middle you have a 9. Thank you for joining me for math today. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.